Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Lyft earnings to your bank with Stripe Payouts, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Lyft earnings to your bank using Stripe Payouts, start by signing in to your Lyft driver account. Navigate to the earnings section in the app. Here, you will see your total earnings for the week. Next, locate the payout option. If you have not set up your Stripe account yet, click on the prompt to create one. You will be redirected to the Stripe website. Follow the instructions to connect your bank account to your Stripe account. Provide all necessary information for verification. Once your Stripe account is linked, return to the Lyft app. Select the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance. Be aware of the payout schedule provided by Lyft. After confirming the amount, choose to transfer it to your bank account. Wait for the processing time indicated by Stripe for your funds to arrive. If you encounter any issues during this process, consult the Lyft support page for assistance. Keep track of your transactions within the earnings section of the app. Regularly check your bank account to confirm that the funds have been deposited. Once you complete these steps, you will successfully withdraw your Lyft earnings to your bank account through Stripe. This process ensures you have quick access to your earnings whenever you need them. Now, you're ready to manage your earnings efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.